Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Systeme.io, build funnels and email campaigns step by step clearly. To log into Systeme.io, start by navigating to the official website. In the top right corner, locate the login button and click on it. You will be redirected to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you already have an account, type in your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Make sure to check that there are no typos in your email and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email sent to you. Once you have entered your email and password, click the blue Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Here, you can start building funnels and creating email campaigns. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout for easier navigation. To create a funnel, select the funnel option from the menu. Then, click the Create button to start a new project. For email campaigns, head to the Emails section in the menu. You can then choose campaigns to set up new email series. Ensure you save your progress regularly while working. Once you are finished, log out to secure your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Logout. You are now ready to dive into creating effective funnels and marketing emails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.